If you're tired of manually logging your time for freelance projects, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to track your time more efficiently without the hassle of manual logs. I've tested all the most popular tools, and today I'll share the one that works best for me, and you'll get an exclusive free trial to follow along. We all know that manually tracking time can be a pain, forgetting to log hours, missing out on important details, or spending way too much time just on logging. Those issues can cost you money and productivity. But what if I told you there's a much simpler way? You can automate the process and focus on what you do best, your work. Instead of digging through spreadsheets or punching in time manually, you can use software that tracks your time in the background. The software we'll be using does this automatically, capturing your work hours and activity without you needing to do anything extra. All you need to do is start your tasks, and this software will handle the rest. No need to remember to log in and out or update any spreadsheets. With this software, you can categorize your work into specific projects, track billable hours, and even set up automated invoicing based on the time you've tracked. All of this can save you hours each week, allowing you to get back to the work that truly matters. Plus, it ensures you're getting paid for every single minute you work without having to dig through logs or guess at how much time you spent on each task. Now, let's talk about the setup. First, you'll install the software and create your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be able to integrate it with your favorite project management tools like Asana or Trello. From there, you can set up different clients or projects, and the software will automatically track the time you spend working on each of them. One of the best features of this software is that it works across devices. Whether you're working on your laptop or phone, it's tracking your time in real time, seamlessly. It's incredibly intuitive, and you won't have to worry about manually switching it on or off when you start or stop working. If you're looking for a way to track your time for freelance projects without the headache of manual logs, this is it. I've tried many tools, but this one has been the easiest and most accurate. And since I know how important your time is, I've secured an exclusive free trial for you, so you can follow along without any cost. Just check the link in the description below. Key takeaway: time tracking for freelance projects doesn't have to be complicated. With the right software, it's effortless, and you can focus on your work instead of managing logs. Remember, the software tracks everything automatically, so you don't have to worry about remembering to start and stop your timer. Before I close, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial link in the description. It's only available to my viewers, so make sure you grab it and get started today. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.